Three completely different regions. Three completely different reasons. One single machine that all of them cannot get enough of right now. Europe is ripping out gas, but America is handing out thousands of dollars in tax credits to install one. India is racing to cool and heat millions of new homes as fast as possible. The machine behind all three of these massive shifts, the heat pump. And in 2026, the heat pumps coming out of China are some of the most in-demand, most profitable machines you can import anywhere in the world. Today, I'm showing you exactly why and how you can get into this market right now. Let's start simple, because this technology is more powerful than most people realize. A heat pump does not generate heat by burning fuel, like a traditional gas, furnace, or boiler. Instead, it moves heat, pulling warmth from the outside air, even in cold temperatures, and transferring it inside your home. In summer, it reverses the process, pulling heat out of your home, working as an efficient air conditioner. One machine, heating and cooling, no gas connection required. The result is a system that can be 3 to 5 times more energy efficient than a traditional gas, furnace, or electric resistance heater, which is exactly why governments worldwide are pushing so hard for adoption right now. Let's break down why each region is buying these at record pace in 2026. In Europe, the push away from Russian gas has made energy independence a national priority. Several countries now offer subsidies covering 30 to 50% of heat pump installation costs. And some regions are banning new gas boiler installations entirely. Demand is outpacing local manufacturing capacity. In the United States, federal and state tax credits can cover up to $2,000 or more per household for qualifying heat pump installation. Combined with rising electricity efficiency standards, American homeowners are switching in record numbers. In India, the story is different, but the demand is just as urgent. Rapid urban growth, extreme summer heat, and the need for efficient cooling in millions of new homes and commercial buildings make heat pumps a fast-growing necessity, not a luxury upgrade. Three different markets, three different drivers, one machine in massive demand. Across all of them, Chinese manufacturers, including major players like Midea, Gree, and Haier, along with dozens of specialized exporters, produce heat pumps that meet European CE certification, American energy efficiency standards, and price points that work for the Indian market. A residential air-to-water heat pump system imported directly from a Chinese manufacturer typically costs $1,500 to $3,500 for a unit serving an average home. The same capacity system from established European or American brands, Daikin, Mitsubishi, Carrier, installed often runs $8,000 to $15,000 or more. That's a price gap of 60 to 75% while still meeting the same certification standards required for government subsidy programs. In most regions, for importers and installers, this gap represents one of the most active arbitrage opportunities in the entire HVAC industry. Right now, let me give you the full picture, because this opportunity comes with real responsibilities. Heat pump installation requires licensed HVAC technicians in virtually every country. This is not a product you import and sell without proper installation support. Certification matters enormously. for European subsidy eligibility. Your unit needs valid CE marking and often additional national certifications. For U.S. tax credit eligibility, units typically need Energy Star certification or equivalent. Always verify these before importing in volume. Performance also varies by climate extreme. Cold regions need specifically rated cold climate heat pumps, while hot, humid regions need units optimized differently. Match the product to your target market carefully, and after-sales support matters customers. Buying a heating and cooling system for their home expect warranty, support, and service availability, not just a one-time sale. To start exploring this market, search air-to-water, heat pump CE, certified or air source, heat pump Energy Star, on or madeinchina.com. Depending on your target region, prioritize manufacturers who can provide proper certification documentation upfront. CHE for Europe Energy Star or RE certification for the US and BIS certification for India. Request a minimum order quantity that met your business stage. Many manufacturers offer trial orders of 5 to 20 units for new importers. Before committing to container-level volumes, partner locally with licensed HVAC installers in your target market. If you're importing for resale, this solves the installation and warranty support challenge immediately and creates a recurring business relationship. Shipping a heat pump system requires careful freight planning due to size and weight budget for sea freight on volume orders, and expect for 2 8-weeks transit time. 3 continents, 3 different reasons, 1 machine that all of them need urgently. Right now, and most people watching this have never even considered it as a business opportunity. The heat pump market isn't a future trend. It's happening right now. Backed by government,